Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it. And I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Are you ready for my biggest traffic offer of all time? This one is going to blow your mind. Welcome to Atomic Traffic. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my launch team, we've been bringing you some amazing traffic offers over the past 2 to 3 years. But Atomic Traffic is going to blow them all away. For the first time ever, we are going to let you place any URL of your choice on all 10 of our best performing traffic rotators of all time. That's right, each one of these 10 traffic rotators has been delivering daily hits in the hundreds and in some cases thousands to all of the links on the rotator. It even includes a brand new rotator, Atomic Traffic, that is currently lying empty and waiting to receive your hits. The only decision you have to make is which URL you wish to promote and then send it to us. That's it. It really is as simple as that. That is all that you'll ever need to do. Choose your URL and then look forward to daily traffic from all 10 of our best ever performing traffic rotators. The brand new Atomic Traffic Rotator, the New Year Traffic Rotator, the Place Your Link 24 Rotator, our all-time bestseller, the Looney Traffic Rotator, the Winter Traffic 3.0 Rotator, the Christmas Traffic 3.0 Rotator, the Big 10 Traffic Rotator, our bestseller for 2023, the Traffic Time 3.0 Rotator, the Bundled Up Rotator, and the Big Monster Traffic Rotator. All you need to do is to grab your copy today at the low launch price, but don't delay. If you come back later, you really will pay more. And remember, the brand new Atomic Traffic Rotator is currently lying empty, which means there is little or no competition for those who get their URL on the rotator first. So, if you want to get ahead of the competition, Be sure to submit your links as soon as possible after we go live. The longer you delay, the bigger the competition to get those hits to your URL. So now it's decision. Have a great day. But myself and the launch team look forward to seeing you on the...
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.